name of mastery and trust, every great story begins with a single step. Our story began in 1980 in a small workshop in Konya. Since that day, we have dedicated ourselves to the art of shoemaking, creating men's shoes where craftsmanship, precision, and passion come together in every detail. For us, a men's shoe is not just an accessory. It is a symbol of elegance, comfort, and confidence. Each pair is carefully crafted in our own workshop, using only genuine leather, refined through decades of experience. The finest hides are selected, strong lasts are shaped by the hands of masters, and every stitch carries the patience and dedication of true artisans. Because we believe, man's confidence begins with his steps, and his steps begin with his shoes. Our collections are designed with both style and comfort in mind. Classic and modern men's shoes for the rhythm of daily life. Elegant models that reflect prestige in the world of business. Timeless designs that bring sophistication to special occasions. Every pair tells a different story of character, of detail, of excellence. Today, Hidayet Özel Shoemaking has become a trusted name in men's footwear, not only in Turkey but also abroad. The trust we have built locally has carried us across borders, making our shoes a symbol of quality wherever they are worn. Because for us, sincerity, honesty, and quality are at the heart of everything we do. In our production process, no detail is too small. The feel of the leather, the shape of the last, the strength of the stitching, each element is crafted with care. We preserve traditional shoemaking while embracing the demands of modern design. Our shoes are made to last, to provide comfort, and to carry timeless elegance into every man's wardrobe. For us, a shoe is not just a product, it is a companion on life's journey. When walking to work, exploring the city, or preparing for a special meeting, Hidayet Özel shoes bring confidence and style to every step. Rooted in the values of the past, we move forward with confidence into the future. We follow technology and fashion closely, but we never compromise on our essence or our true craftsmanship. Because real mastery lies in combining the values of tradition with the vision of tomorrow. Today, Hidayet Özel Shoemaking continues to stand as the name of mastery and trust in men's footwear. We bring together quality, comfort, and elegance, supported by honesty and a sincere commitment to customer satisfaction. Every shoe is more than a design, it is a reflection of our respect for our work and the pride we put into every detail. Every step is more than a path, it is a mark we leave for the future. And with the strength of yesterday, we walk confidently into tomorrow. Hidayet Özel Shoemaking, the name of mastery and trust in men's shoes.